Are you tired of selling online only to have major platforms like Shopify or Etsy take a slice of every single sale? Are you worried about the product links or listing fees on sites like eBay or Amazon? What if I told you there's a way to build a professional, dynamic online store with unlimited product data, zero platform fees, and complete ownership? Welcome to the Web 2.5 Kiosk. This is the next evolution of e-commerce. It combines the seamless speed and familiarity of the traditional Web 2 variables with the ownership and peer-to-peer transaction model of Web 3 variables. Today we're going to break down exactly how you can use this self-hosted kiosk to create a robust, fee-free sales machine. Traditional e-commerce uses centralized marketplaces that host your store, manage your payments, and charge you commission. The Web 2.5 Kiosk changes that. Your store is self-hosted. The kiosk itself is only responsible for the two things it's best at: displaying your menu and the order. All of your unlimited product data, from photos and prices to inventory, is stored not on the host but in the Firebase database. Firebase is a Google-backed cloud database that scales infinitely, meaning your limit of products is virtually zero. You pay only for the database storage when it increases. However, it's free for small to mid-size stores. Crucially, when it comes time to pay, the kiosk does not process the money. It directs the buyer to an external wallet or payment link. This is how you bypass platform fees entirely. Let's dive into the admin dashboard, the engine room for your kiosk. This is where the power of unlimited data and fine-grained control comes into play. Menu and product management. This section gives you full CRUD control. Create, read, update, delete over your entire product line. Notice the provider section. This is a game changer for denormalized data. You can link a single product to multiple suppliers, fulfillment centers, or categories with a single click. When you need to remove an old provider, the kiosk automatically cleans up data, removing that provider ID from every product it was attached to. This is automated data hygiene. The live orders section gives you immediate visibility into your sales funnel. Every order placed by a customer is instantly recorded into your private Firebase database and appears here. You can track the status of every order using the custom buttons you built. Once you check the external payment and confirm the funds were received, you can proceed to shipping the item or delivering the item, whether it's a physical or digital product. But before clearing it from the in-progress section, you must be sure to add it to the archives or Discord. Now let's see the front end. The kiosk view from the customer's perspective. They land here via a link from your social media. The interface is clean and snappy. The customer adds their desired products to the cart just like any standard Web 2.0 store. When they are ready to check out, they click Submit Order. At this exact moment, two things happen instantly. First, a record of the entire transaction is saved into your Firebase orders collection, appearing instantly on your admin dashboard. Second, the kiosk displays the final ready-to-pay instructions. This is the crucial step. Instead of routing the payment through a platform that takes a cut, the kiosk provides the customer with your direct payment method. This could be a PayPal.me link or a Venmo QR code, or for a truly decentralized experience, your cryptocurrency wallet address. The customer pays you directly, peer-to-peer. The kiosk has done its job. It managed the data, took the order, and gave the customer the payment destination. The money goes straight to you, avoiding all platform commissions. The kiosk handles the transaction, but you need traffic. This is where your social media channel comes in, acting as a free marketing layer that feeds into your store. Think of your social media accounts as billboards. Your primary job is to redirect traffic using a single, unchanging link. The URL for your kiosk. On Instagram or TikTok, that link goes in your bio. On Discord, it's a pinned announcement in your Order Here channel. Every piece of content you create, every reel, every post should have a single call to action. Link in bio to shop now. You use the free, powerful features of social media for marketing and your own custom-built kiosk for the critical sales and data management. It's the ultimate zero-cost sales funnel. The Web 2.5 Kiosk is more than just a storefront. It's a declaration of ownership. You are no longer beholden to the rules, limits, or fees of any major platform. With the limited product storage on Firebase and a seamless fee-avoiding checkout process, you have built a powerful, decentralized commerce solution. The code is clean, the structure is solid, and the path to zero commission sales is now open. Now that you have the knowledge and the code, it's time to deploy your kiosk, share your link, and start making sales with 100% of the profit staying in your pocket. Stop paying the middleman and start building your Web 2.5 future.